Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to go over different companies that are looking for a hotshot owner-operator. The first company I have presented is called Bennett. They're currently looking for a hotshot owner-operator to transport RVs. Now listed below are the qualifications. And also, let's go ahead and click on the equipment. You must have a model year 2005 or newer. If you're interested in applying for this company, all you need to do is scroll down and click on Apply Now. Also, I will leave a link in the description below this video. The next company I have presented is called Horizon Transport. They're also looking for owner-operators to transport RVs. They are located in the Indiana area. Let's go ahead and click on Tow Away to learn more information. Here they provide additional information if you're interested in applying for this company. They also list the requirements below. You can just go ahead and click on Apply Now. And as I mentioned before, I will leave the link in the description. The next company I would like to present is called Wave Express. They are also looking for owner-operators to transport RVs. And as I scroll down, you can see the information they're providing. If you're interested in applying for this company as well, all you need to do is click on the Apply Now button. And as I previously mentioned, I will leave a description below. If you have any questions, please do ask. You all have a good day.